In today's video, we're going to learn how to do basic multiplication in Excel. We do this using the asterisk symbol. So to get started, the data set on my right is what we are going to be using to perform this simple task. I input my equals to as usual because I'm carrying out a calculation that involves formula. Once that is done, I tap my first data and I input my asterisk sign. Now the asterisk sign can be inputted on your keyboard by doing the shift 8. That's if your asterisk sign falls under 8. Next, I tap my second data and I put my asterisk sign and my last data and I press enter key. So in order to do the same for other data, I will just use my drag and autofill, and it automatically multiplies for the remaining data sets.